Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use iPhone camera night mode. To use iPhone camera night mode, one best method is by using night mode automatically. First, launch the camera app on your iPhone. Enable night mode. Night mode activates automatically in low light conditions. When available, a yellow moon icon appears in the top of the screen. Next, adjust the exposure time. Tap on the arrow upwards on the top center. Tap the moon icon to manually adjust the exposure time using the slider above the shutter button. Longer exposure times capture more light but require a steady hand or a tripod. Take a photo. Hold the iPhone steady and tap the shutter button. Keep the iPhone still until the capture process finishes, indicated by a countdown. Tips for better night mode photos. Use a tripod. Tap to focus and experiment with light sources. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.